The fish with a transparent head. Meet barrel-eye fish, one of the strangest creatures in the deep ocean. It found 600 meters under the water where sunlight hardly reaches. It is known for its strange transparent head from which its eyes clearly visible. These tube-shaped eyes can rotate upward to spot prey floating above. It mainly fed on small fishes, small jellyfishes and other tiny sea animals. This fish rarely seen by humans. Till the date, the actual lifespan of this fish not exactly calculated by the scientists. This transparent head helps it in hunting and also save itself from predators. Subscribe for more interesting wildlife facts.